Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Jet to Mastery. In this video, we are going to solve sum of digits number. Let me explain the question. Actually, it's a very easy question. So your input is 1234. You have to sum up all the digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. It will be 10. And 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 also, it will be 10. So you have to fetch the digit first. The first point is you have to fetch the digits. It can be any direction. So either left to right or right to left. It can be it ups to you. Okay, if some people feel like fetching the digits from left to right, it is easy, and some people feel like fetching the digits from right to left, that is easy. So whatever it is, up to you guys. So first thing is I'm going to fetch the digits from right to left. Okay, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So both are, it won't affect our program at any point, right? So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 also gives the same result. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 also gives the same result. So here what I have to do, so first declare the scanner class, scanner sin equal to new scanner system.in, next int n equal to sin dot next int, fine. After that, so I need one more variable to sum up all the answers. Like suppose, see, this is my the answer variable. My answer variable will store 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So to sum up all the answer, I need one more variable to storing this answer. So the variable name is sum here. So I'll name it as a sum, in sum equal to 0. Next, I'm going to fetch the all digits. So while n is greater than 0, okay, so my last digit is int ld equal to n mod 10. Okay, so the question is, the statement is very simple. Your answer equal to answer plus, sorry, your sum variable, right? So sum equal to sum plus your last digit. That's it. After that, you have to update your n as n by equal to 10. That's it. So finally, you have to print system.out.println of your sum variable. Okay, so let's discuss here. So how this happen, how it will work. See, initially your sum is containing 0 and your n is, let's imagine your n is 1234. Here your n is greater than 0. Yes, absolutely condition true. So your last digit will be 4. Answer equal, sum equal to sum plus last digit. So your last digit is 4. Initially your sum variable is 0. So your sum equal to sum plus last digit means it will store 4 in this iteration. After that, you have updated your n. Your n is now 123. Okay, because you have updated here. You have destroyed your last digit here. After that, sum equal, take the last digit here. Last digit is 3 here. So sum equal to sum plus last digit. Already your sum is 4. So 4 plus 3, here it is 7. Your sum is 7 here. After that, you have updated your n, right? So you have updated your n in this step. So n is right now 12. So 12 is greater than 0, condition true. So let's take the last digit. Last digit is equal to 2. So sum equal to sum plus, already my sum is equal to 7. So 7 plus 2, 9 in this case. So you have updated your n here, n equal to n by 10. You have destroyed the last digit. So n is equal to 1 in this case. Your last digit is equal to 1. So your sum equal to sum plus last digit. Already your sum is 9. So 9 plus 1, it is 10 in this case. So after that, you have updated your n. So your n become 0. So here 0 greater than 0 condition false, right? So the loop will terminate. So after that, you are going to print sum variable. In the sum variable, it is contain sum of all the digits. So that is 10. So let's run the code. We'll check whether it is work or not. So I will give 1234. What will be my output? My output is 10. This is what I'm expecting, and I got the concerned output. I hope you have understood this concept, guys. So I will catch up in next interesting problem. Until then, bye bye. Take care.